Hi everyone, this is Taha, and in this video I will show you a template I made for Notion Marketplace as well as Gumroad. So you can see that this is a contract tracker, and most of us have different contracts with maybe different subcontractors, freelancers. In our daily life we have contracts to manage, and it will be really easy if we manage on Notion, and if we don't manage on Notion, we might lose them on our maybe WhatsApp chat or Google Drive. So it's really an efficient way to manage your contracts. So in this template, you can add a new contract, you can add an NDA, which I have set it up as a contract type. You can change this as well by going through the contract type if you want to change any of that. And you can add a service contract, add a vendor contract, and these are all the contracts. And if you want to add maybe a tenant contract, and the client can be John Doe, and maybe a tenant contract, right? The status is active and it's from 26 April, right? And monthly recurring, and I can also add the contract here as a file. Here are all the recent contracts created, and the start date is this month. So any document created in this month will be shown on recent contracts. And you can see different categories, for example, statuses of the contracts, active, pending, expired, terminated, and other contracts if you don't want them. And here is the database of the contract, so you don't have to delete it, otherwise this won't work. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope this helped you. And I will add the link of this contract tracker on the description below. You can check it out, download it for free, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.